Hello, this is a video where we will be talking about a new feature that has been added to FieldGenius regarding the next point name available. After reopening a project in FieldGenius 3.2 or older, automatically FieldGenius sets the next available point name based on the highest point number in the project, without considering the user's intent, numbering, or workflow. This causes problems when users intentionally use high point numbers for their top points, or the system resumes with an unexpected default point name. As a result, new points may be assigned an incorrect or unintended point number. Users must manually correct these point names, and there is an increased risk of data inconsistency and field errors. Therefore, in this showcase, we will see how this new addition to FieldGenius fixes this issue. So currently, as I just mentioned, FieldGenius automatically starts from the highest available point name. In this case, in this file that I have created, point 4048 is the highest point name. However, as we can see, there is gaps in between our points. From point 1 to 48, that range is taken, and then the system jumps to 1001, 1002, and so on. That means that if the user wants to start working from that range and they accidentally forget to change this will cause trouble in the shots that they're taking, and it would need a lot of time and work to change the point names to the range that they would like. The new update fixes this by giving the user the options. So we'll jump on to that right now. I should mention that in the current system, that feature would be located in the interface section. However, it is not there, and we will see it in a bit after the update. So now that I have updated to the latest version of FieldGenius under development, if I go to interface, I should be able to see the option of next available point name. It's set to default highest project number, which behaves the same way that we already saw. However, now there's a new feature called Find From One. To see how this feature works, we would need to go out of the project and open it again, and then jump into our survey menu. Here now we can see that FieldGenius started searching for the next available point name from the smallest number to the highest number. In this case, 1 to 48 is taken, so the next available point name would be point number 49. Now, if we want to go back to how the system used to work before, we just simply come back here and click the highest available point name. Reload the project and go back to survey, and there you go. The system now gives back 4048. That is it. Thank you.